The 2008 Suzuki Grand Vitara. The Suzuki Grand Vitara is a small SUV that delivers the often mutually exclusive attributes of off-road ability and on-road comfort. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual front airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, automatic stability control, keyless entry, climate control, child safety locks, fog lamps, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.